This video will be all about editing your images using presets in just a couple of seconds. First, go to the video description and tap on the provided preset link. Now type the password of the preset which is available within the video, and it will directly take you to the preset file. Save the preset to your phone using the download option on the upper right corner. Now there are 4 different ways to add this preset to your Lightroom. You can do this either directly from the site, from the app, from gallery, or through the file manager. It's up to you. But I'll prefer better to use the first 3 ways. Here select the plus icon on the lower right corner to add images. And then just disable the image and video formats. So it will specifically show you the raw DNG presets. And then select the preset that you have downloaded. In the gallery, go to the downloads folder and then share the raw DNG file to the Lightroom. This will directly add the preset to the Lightroom app. Now click on the options menu on the upper right corner and select create preset. Either save it to your desirable folders or it can be directly saved to the default user presets. Saving a preset helps you to use the preset as a filter for your future images too. Add your image to the Lightroom. Now go to the user presets and select the preset you had saved. See how the pictures get edited just with a tap. By the way, you can adjust the skin tone by increasing or decreasing the luminance of the orange color in mix settings. There's one more easy alternative to edit your images by just copying the settings of the preset file and then pasting it to your images. Well, this is the simplest and the easiest part of all. You can download the other presets and watch the tutorial from the links provided in the description.